Sir,
I think
my camera is not working, sir.
It was working. We saw you just now. हमने देखा
हाँ सर,
अभी.
लेकिन अभी नहीं हो रहा है.
ओके ठीक है, चलो.
नहीं हो रहा है.
Everybody there? चलो हम पहले प्रेजेंट ही लेंगे. लीना is there?
लीना
है.
नहीं आवाज आनी चाहिए ना.
म्यूट है, म्यूट.
She has joined, but mic is on mute.
Lina, please put your mic on. Unmute your mic. See, these today's kids, you know, third standard, fourth standard, they are having these video calls and video lessons so easily. Fatapat, they do. They talk to the teacher. They take notes. Really amazing to see that.
Yeah, this
And
pandemic
we
has
still struggle.
Lina, her mic is still unmute.
Mute or unmute?
Yeah, unmute करना चाहिए.
Actually, she has not given permission. She had.
Because I can't see anything. I can't see.
No, I can see that she has not given permission for the app to access her microphone. Otherwise, she is not able to unmute.
Correct.
But we heard her voice just now.
No.
Didn't we?
Lina,
What to do?
you have to give permission to your mic, and only after that you will be able to unmute it.
See, we are just 8 of us. Can we switch to WhatsApp call?
Yeah, we can.
Are you ready for it, or shall we continue with this?
We can. Not a problem.
Yeah,
Now she is visible. Lina.
Yeah, I was there. I could hear you all. Yeah, I can hear you all.
Okay.
Yeah, good. So,
Yes.
hi, Lina is there. No, I can't see all 8 on the screen, Ashutosh. What to do?
You are logging from laptop. Only from
Yeah.
laptop you can see all
Yeah.
people.
Yeah, I'm on laptop.
Yeah, because 2 people have switched off their cameras, Manoj and Hitesh. So
Manoj, Prashant and Hitesh are off camera, and even this, who's this? Gracie.
So
Okay.
there are.
Let's at least get their audio. See, I am there. Ashutosh is there. I can see Lina. I can see Dr. Saad. Prashant, are you there?
Yes, is there.
No, let him speak.
Prashant is there.
I'm here.
We can't hear him. Hello, Prashant.
Yeah, I'm here. I can hear you.
Okay. Manoj,
Yes, sir. I'm fine.
Gracie.
हाजिर है, बंदा हाजिर है.
Yes, sir.
Lina,
Okay,
welcome.
Hitesh, mic is mute.
हाँ.
Hitesh mic is mute.
सर मैं लॉग आउट होकर फिर लॉगिन होता हूँ अभी.
क्यों क्या हो गया?
कैमरा चालू हो जाएगा शायद. ठीक है.
चालू करा लवकर.
चलो,
मतलब मैं अभी वापस आता हूँ, मतलब रीस्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ.
कॅमेरा बंद असला तरी चालेल, आवाज यायला पाहिजे, ऐकायला पाहिजे.
हो ना.
हाँ. मला वाटतं मीटिंग चालू करा आता.
नाही, हितेश येऊ दे. हितेशचा काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम आहे. आपण 8च जण आहोत. उद्या आपल्याला 50 लोकांची मीटिंग करायची. वी हॅव टू स्टार्ट विथ maybe 50 or 25, whatever. So we need to be very patient. These technologies take time, so be patient.
Microsoft Team is not very well used by all people. Zoom किंवा Google Meet सगळे वापरतात आजकाल. त्यामुळे Microsoft Teams थोडंसं जरा अवघड जातं लोकांना. Those who are not.
I'm using for first time.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we have used only Zoom and Google Meet.
Right. Microsoft Teams are a little bit difficult to gel with, but once you are used to it, then you can handle it. The problem with Google is you cannot record unless and until it's a paid account.
Yeah, and Zoom also, no?
Yeah, Zoom also you cannot record unless and until it's a paid account.
So do you have any paid account of Zoom?
I have only paid account of Microsoft.
Microsoft. Anybody else? Prashant, do you have paid accounts of anything?
No. Not personal. I don't.
Prashant, I suppose if you can.
Can you use a headphone, Prashant, please?
The voice is not at all.
I'm using headphone only.
Oh. Can you remove the headphone?
Yeah, right.
I'm using headphone.
Then can you try without headphone, because your voice is
That's why I
absolutely
switch off my video so that we can save the bandwidth. So it is very cloudy outside. So maybe
okay.
we can switch off the video, we can hear properly.
No problem. No problem. As it is.
Can you
Yeah, now
join?
everybody's video is on. We can
Yeah.
see him.
Somebody is waiting to join.
Hitesh.
Hitesh is also joined.
Hitesh joined. No, Hitesh joined.
No, he's there. So why are we waiting now? Are you there, Hitesh?
Yes,
Hitesh?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you should have told that I have joined. Okay, so we'll start the meeting.
Yes.
Everybody, welcome to the first ever online meeting, video meeting of Association of Left-Handers. And I thank Ashutosh for organizing it and all of you for making it possible to attend. So this is, and is English okay or Hindi? Because Hitesh cannot understand Marathi. Hitesh, English ठीक है?
हाँ सही है सर.
ओके सो हिंदी में भी आ जाऊंगा मैं, तो हिंदी, चलो हिंदी बात करते हैं. सो ये अभी हम 13 अगस्त की प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, जहां पे मैंने प्रोफेसर क्लेयर पोराक को इनवाइट किया था, जो आप सबको मालूम है, आपने शायद उनका ऑडियो भी सुना है. शी इज वन ऑफ द लीडिंग scientist working on handedness and related topics. I have interacted with her on Facebook a lot. She is really talented and well-known person with a lot of record. She earlier worked with Professor Stanley Coren. If you remember, Stanley Coren has written the book, The Left-Hander Syndrome. How many of you have seen the book? I don't know. I don't have it just now, but I can show it to you. And I think that book is amazing. It has many controversial kind of statements which have been later on proved wrong. But still, Stanley Coren was a great person. I tried to contact him. He did not respond. He is not keeping well. He's a very old person. But then I decided to contact M.K. Holder. M.K. Holder also was in charge of Handedness Research Institute of Indiana University. She had also appointed me as the regional coordinator for India long time ago. But she also retired, and she has gone to look after her parents who are in their 90s. So she has cut off herself from all communication. And I don't know who is in charge of that institute, because they are not responding. Then I contacted Professor Porak, and she instantly agreed to come for the meeting. And she said, I do not give speeches. I do interactive question and answer. Earlier, I think she was only interested in doing an audio interaction, but I said, no, video is important. At least people will see you, and that way it is engaging. So she has agreed to a video call on 13th. It will be around 7:30 evening for us. It's a Friday. Mostly people are working either from home or going to office or their clinics. So we have to decide whether we want to go ahead, because we at least need 25 to 30. I don't know. I'm very conservative, or I don't know. Tell me what is the possibility that we will get some audience is one thing. And secondly, we will create a questionnaire. We'll distribute those questions among us, and we will ask them, and we will record the whole meeting, and we'll preserve it in our YouTube channel and use it on our website and also. So this is my idea. Now I want each one of you, start with Ashutosh. How feasible you find this? Can somebody take lead in the technical aspects like you have taken today? And other people, how much audience can we get?
I can take the technical lead. That's not a problem. If at all somebody is interested, he can also volunteer. It's not me only. And I feel that we should announce the event on the Facebook as well as on all social media. And we should keep some registration form, maybe in the form of Google form, or maybe we create it on our website, registered for the event. So we get an idea in advance how many people are joining. The moment we get an idea that at least 25-30 are joining, then we should not be bothered. If that much number is not foreseen, then we can ask our relatives to join the meeting.
See, I can promise 2 people from my side, 2 more people.
Yeah, because somebody of that caliber is coming and joining us for that particular day, then we need to at least make the show full-fledged.
Exactly. See, I have contacted our colleagues from Zambia who has started Association of Left-Handers in Zambia. He is willing to join with maybe one or two more people. I have contacts in Nigeria. Those people are working on a world organization. They want to form a left-handers world organization. Not much success do they have, but they would be willing to join. Some sound is coming, I think, from Dr. Saab.
Noise.
Hello. Yeah. So I can get people, but I cannot guarantee that on that day they will really be present, and we cannot follow them on phone. भाई चलो चलो आज जैसे किया हमने, अरे भाई क्या हो गया, फोन करो, चलो चलो आ जाओ. That cannot be done for other people.
Yeah.
So that's my concern. Should we announce it openly, because there are so many left-handers group on Facebook? I am at least member of 5 to 7 groups and pages. So do we announce it on there and invite unknown people also, or we keep only for our known people? Because I have no experience of having an unknown thing organized from my side. I have attended many where there are many unknown people, but I have not organized any meeting like that. So your opinion is expected.
सर मैं आई
हाँ बोलिए ना.
सर प्रधान सर ने कहा कि फेसबुक पे हम लोग इवेंट एक क्रिएट कर सकते हैं 3-4 दिन पहले, और उससे पता चल जाएगा कि रफली कितने लोग आने वाले हैं.
Yes.
और जहां तक सवाल मतलब जो क्वेश्चन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने की बात है कि 1 to 1 हम लोग अलग अलग से फायर करेंगे, तो वो आप डिसाइड करेंगे कि कौन सा सवाल कौन पूछेगा. वो हमारे घर में से ही होगा, मतलब
वो हम लोग ही करेंगे.
हाँ हम ही करेंगे.
किसी ने हैंड रेज किया वहां पे, बाहर के आदमी ने, किसी ने, कि मुझे पूछना है, एंड इफ शी इज ओके, एंड टाइम, हाँ टाइम कितना रखना है, ड्यूरेशन 1 hour.
Yeah, I suppose whatever she is comfortable.
I know she is very old. You must have heard her voice also.
Yeah.
She also struggles to speak a bit. So maybe 45 minutes I think is okay totally. हम
1
कभी
hour is okay, sir. 1 hour. 1 hour.
1 hour अगर एक्सटेंड हुआ तो 1 hour रखेंगे.
Oh, yes.
45 मिनट्स में वाइंड अप करेंगे. कुछ 1-2 इधर उधर हो गया, 5-10 minutes ahead. ठीक है.
तो फेसबुक लाइव सही रहेगा, क्योंकि वो फिर रहेगा फेसबुक पे ही रहेगा वो, तो वीडियो हमारे लिए बना रहेगा, रिकॉर्डिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. सवाल सिलेक्टेड लोग ही पूछेंगे, तो उसका भी कंट्रोल हमारे पास रहेगा अगर फेसबुक पे लाइव है तो.
That moderation I can do. I will talk to her, initiate this like I did today, and then will start with my question, and then I will say now Ashutosh will ask a question, now Dr. Shah will ask a question, now so and you ask the questions to which she will respond.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yes. सही है.
Sir, I have a suggestion.
Yeah, bolo.
I have a suggestion. So what I think is that we should put some questionnaires on the Facebook invitee also. Like when you send an invitation for people to join, you'll have a fair idea of how many people will join this event. But at the same time, you can put few common questions that people would have their doubts on. So at least say about some 8 people would have one common question. So probably we can have that to start with, and then maybe later, because maybe we don't know her so well and how she'll take it, how she'll react of many people questioning and asking her the same question. So maybe we can do that, have the common questions, and I think one of us only should ask, or maybe you or two or three people, not all of us. We can be attendees.
No,
and
right.
this live session would be a great idea. Live session.
Live no. We have to plant the questions amongst ourselves, at least 7-8 questions.
Or
Yes.
do it other way around. I feel when you only ask the question, and if after hearing her conversation, if we have a actual question, then we might as well ask.
Yes, that would be great. Like we see these Instagram and
I differ. Only one person asking question, it may be thought as a planned event.
Acha.
So many other
Right.
people are asking the question that it may be thought that it's a live session and people are not planned
Okay.
it.
Right, sir.
Correct,
Okay, it's not
correct.
copy with Karan, right,
I
sir?
agree.
Okay.
Perfect.
We can
Okay.
decide the questions in advance, no doubt.
Yeah.
But then
Yes, yes.
Yes.
different people asking the question will make
Yes.
more sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now what Gracie is saying, that we announce that such and such meeting is going to take place. If you are willing to attend and if you have any questions in mind, please share them with us.
Okay.
Right, Gracie?
Correct. Correct.
Right, right.
So maybe people
So
will.
because yes, sir, sorry, sir, but
Yeah.
when I see these Instagram live videos and Facebook live videos, there are a lot of people. Like there are two people who are having the interaction. They start that live video, and then they announce that the speaker is going to join in. They wait for the speaker, and they already have their questions, for from people. So also they mention the name that this person has a question, that person has a question. So various people have their questions, and only two people are interacting. So if you
Those
want
people don't speak. Those people whose question is there, they don't speak.
no, they don't speak because it's already given, or they might just say hi, hello, but they'll be attending that session.
No, just now we discussed that, but that doesn't look good for me also. I want everybody to talk to her. Not everybody.
Yeah.
Maybe we
We
can collect
decided.
the question.
We decided people.
Yeah, we can collect the questions in advance, and then we can collect along with the names also, that so many people have got the
Yes.
same question, and then one of us is asking us that question. That is also possible.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
no. We are again confusing. Sorry. Possibility is everything. I only ask the questions and you just listen. I don't want that. I want everybody, our people at least, our main core team, this team, and one or two more to ask. Like Lena will ask. It
That's
looks
what I'm
very
saying. That's what I'm
lively.
saying. We can
Uh-huh.
collect the questions from different people
Yeah.
and distribute among ourselves. Who will
Yes.
ask which?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
So Hitesh was developing a questionnaire. What was that, Hitesh?
Sir, वो तो questionnaires तो that was what trivia actually, not related to handedness actually 100%. लेकिन हो जाएगा सर, कुछ सवाल जितने भी मन में आएंगे तो शेयर करेंगे. लेकिन
नहीं, हम क्या करेंगे, कहाँ पे मंगाएंगे? अगर सब पब्लिक को अनाउंस करना है, मे भी समझो 50-60 क्वेश्चन आ गए, हम उसमें से चूज करेंगे. लाइक ग्रेसी सेज, उसमें रिपीट हो सकते हैं.
हाँ,
तो विल स्टार्ट देम आउट, उसमें से चूज करके 10 या 8-10 क्वेश्चन हम रखेंगे. उसमें प्रायोरिटाइज करेंगे, मैं और कोई, कि भाई ये पहले 6 लेंगे, अगर टाइम बचा तो और 2 लेंगे, नहीं टाइम बचा तो 5 लेंगे. काइंड ऑफ डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ मच शी स्पीक्स.
ग्रेसी का कहना भी सही है, जिसका वेटेज ज्यादा होगा तो उसको
हम प्रायोरिटी
कॉमन को लोग ले लेंगे, उठा लेंगे. लेकिन वो फेसबुक पे रख सकते हैं या फिर गूगल फॉर्म के जरिए कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं सवाल को.
गूगल फॉर्म मतलब उसमें क्लिक करना, फिर वो टाइप करना, इससे सिंपलेस्ट कुछ चीज है क्या?
सीधा फेसबुक पे पोस्ट कर दे सर, ऐसा हो तो.
हाँ, कमेंट में डालूंगा.
हमारे पेज पे कमेंट में डाल दे. हाँ,
कमेंट पेज, और हमारा पेज हम हर जगह शेयर करेंगे. हमारा
हाँ, वो जो हमारा इवेंट होगा, हाँ, इवेंट के रिप्लाई में वो दे देंगे.
लेकिन किसी को तो वो मॉनिटर करके वहां से उठा के किसी वर्ड फाइल में कॉपी करके रखना होगा नाम के साथ.
Technically speaking, we'll need the contact details of those who are joining, because once we decide on the platform, we will need to enable, we'll need to share them either the link or the meeting ID or password, whatever we decide finally. So
agreed. That we can again post in the same place where we have posted.
Okay, fine.
That's one thing. Another thing, if that person doesn't remain present, I will have the question and I'll say, okay, Ashutosh is not, doesn't seem to be logged in or is unable to contact, so I'm asking the question. Simple.
Okay.
That is possible. Lena, what do you think?
Yeah. Yes, that's a good idea, and I agree that each one can ask questions. Like many should ask, because that will really look like a real time, and more authentic. Like, and instead of one person asking the question, that's one thing. And what you mentioned just now, someone will have to control all this when we log in. So many will join, and all we need to know. And what I can do is, in my groups where students are their parents, friends, there is either a left-handed parent or kids. So I can share and get some 20 kids, people I can get for the event, audience, but who are really genuine, not anybody else, like anybody at all. anybody at all who is not very genuinely interested, nothing like that. Some people who have kids who are left-handed, or themselves, the parents or the kids are left-handed. The kids, I mean,
Yes,
from
yes,
KG to PG, anyone. And
yes.
yeah, Bipin, initially you mentioned that this is the first time ever, but last year, 13th August, we had a
Oh,
Zoom
yeah.
meeting.
Sorry. I remembered that, and
Yeah,
we had a video meeting.
because
I'm
it,
sorry. I think I'm
yeah,
getting old. I think I'm getting.
no,
Somebody has to take over all these responsibilities now.
it was a
And
COVID batch.
yes. Thank you.
COVID batch
COVID has
2020.
affected so much that good that at least we recollect and we recognize each other.
Yes.
At least I
Yes.
recognize you.
No, it
Sir,
was all between us. It was interactive, but it was 2020 COVID batch. So it was
Yeah.
the first time ever we did a great start.
वो
And yeah,
Google
as for me, like I have been connected with the Institution of Electronics and Telecom Engineers. We have been having such live and webinars since ages, like a dozen years ago, when we would
Yeah.
have ISRO scientists, engineers, Professor Yashpal, late
Yeah. That
astrophysicist.
time you must be
So,
using satellite links and all.
yes, satellite link. So
Yeah, I
today
know.
we are using this. This is the new normal. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Great.
so
Yeah.
yes,
Thanks
I
for
agree that
reminding me about
each
last
one.
meeting. Yeah.
Yeah. So each one can ask questions, and we can collect and have a very organized show or something
Yes.
like that. Well done.
Absolutely. That's what I want. Except
Yeah.
for the technical snags, because there will be technical snags.
Yeah.
Internet नहीं है, bandwidth नहीं है, फलाना नहीं है,
Yeah.
वो तो होने ही वाला है.
And which
Yes,
platform we are
that's
using
what
that
I
day?
had.
Which platform we are
Yeah.
using that day?
No, we have not
Again?
decided. Prashant, you can suggest.
Okay.
I think
Okay, yeah.
then if
Yeah,
you are not,
Ashutosh is saying Microsoft Teams is best. I have not used it. This is first time I'm using it. Hitesh and myself think Zoom is better. Somebody would think Google is better. What is your opinion, Prashant?
no, Google Meet is better because we really we don't want to record it. If we are not very serious of recording, then we can go for Google Meet. It's there is no time binding on that. We can have it 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever. Same link can be working fine.
But why not record it? Why not record and put it on our YouTube channel?
Recording is not possible on Google Meet. So maybe
Yeah.
we can have another audio player playing on the same time to record it. Maybe audio.
Okay.
No, I want a video because
नहीं,
we have videos. We better have a video. It's record. So Hitesh was saying we do it on Facebook, not Zoom. So
Facebook Live.
yeah, I'm not going to put my opinion as final because I'm not going to handle it. But my intentions are easy to log in, possible to record, and unlimited time. Unlimited is 40 minutes हो गया अभी खत्म हो गया ऐसा नहीं चाहिए.
Correct. So Facebook Live is also not very familiar with people to ask the questions and to join in, because it is one-way communication most of the time. Facebook Live, and half of the people don't understand whether it is live or it is recorded.
Actually,
Yeah.
the
Personal experience.
Facebook Live is only one video can go on,
Yes.
and others videos cannot be seen. So what we have
Correct.
to do is either we have to get Zoom, or we have to take Microsoft Teams and host a meeting, and the meeting is aired live on the Facebook page.
Okay.
Correct.
People are
Same
joining.
like the StreamYard and all also do that.
Yes,
StreamYard,
sir.
Yeah, but StreamYard don't have so many people. They are only 1, 2, 3 people maybe. How is StreamYard, by the way? Does it have multiple people allowed? Anybody has used StreamYard?
No, I have not used.
Okay.
I'm
I
not sure.
have
My wife
actually
uses it often. I will ask her. Otherwise, whatever we know is better.
which
Not
app she is using?
StreamYard.
StreamYard.
StreamYard, yeah.
I downloaded. Streamlabs OBS is there, and because I have started Facebook Live on every Wednesdays at 9 for past couple of days, so I am still struggling. It's not still successful. So let's hope by that time I should be thorough with it. But I would suggest that whatever technology we decide on, we must have a dry run at least couple of days prior to the actual meeting.
Yes, similar meeting we will
Yes.
have.
Yes.
We'll have. But another thing, now I have not asked her, Dr. Porak, what is her convenient platform. I will check with her again. Let me see if she has answered that. Let me just give me 1 second. I'm checking it.
Yeah, I suppose if you can clarify from her right in the beginning, then that will be helping us, because accordingly we'll have to plan.
Yes. Because earlier she was hoping to have a podcast kind of a audio thing, but I said no, we want video. Now let me ask her the platform. Yeah. I prefer Zoom. She says I prefer Zoom.
Yeah, very
Between
good.
the evening in your time zone, it's morning for me, it's fine. And I prefer Zoom. The Q&A will last for 30 to 40 minutes, not 60 to 90 minutes. I request that you distribute the podcast link that I sent. वो तो मैंने कर दिया है. ठीक है. And she is familiar with the format, means question and answer. It might also inspire questions and follow-up questions around those discussed in the podcast. So Zoom. Now we don't have any choice but to use Zoom. Zoom का किसी के पास अकाउंट है 30 to 40 मिनट्स मोले हम उसमें बिठा लेंगे फिर. और कभी कभी Zoom चल जाता है, वो आगे चलता है. मैंने 1.5 घंटा किया है.
It was allowed till some 6 months when the COVID started. Now you have to again create a same link, another link. Continue. So sometime it works, sometime it don't work.
But does anyone have a paid account Zoom? Prashant, Leena.
I will try our Rotary Club account that day, and I'll merge that Rotary Club meeting into this. Like 2019 we had physical meeting with Rotary Club of Own at Bal Kalyan. Similarly, I'll use the same Google link for Rotary Club of Own. We have paid link. I'll just ask if that day is not clashing with anything, then I'll take that link.
It's a Friday.
Yeah, I don't think 13th, because 14th and 15th we have meeting, so 13th I should be fine.
Okay. Another thing, whoever is sending the link, I think becomes the organizer or the admin. He should have the control of all the microphones. To mute them.
Correct.
So
no, we can have co-host also. We can have sharing co-host. We can make 3-4 co-hosts also who can monitor and do this thing for parallelly. Possible.
So all those technicalities somebody has to please look into. I cannot do anything about it.
Even the admin will have to record the video.
Right.
Yes.
Between your video has freeze.
Some voice is coming, vehicle voice.
Some noise. Disturbance.
Yeah. May I say something?
All of you mute your camera.
Switch off your camera.
Myself.
बोला कौन बोलता है?
Dr. Rajkumar.
हाँ बोला.
I want to say something. Can you hear me?
Wait. Bipin has lost the link.
Got freezed. Bipin frame got freezed.
Wait for a while. Let Bipin come back and then you can speak.
Okay.
Is he back?
No, his frame got freezed. I don't know whether it is locked.
No. I think he is logged off, or he has lost the connection. That is why his video also freezed and there is no audio from his side.
Yeah. Yes, Bipin ji.
No. He'll have to log in again. I think.
Achha.
Bipin ji, can you hear me? No.
Yeah, he's leaving. That means he has lost the connection.
Right.
Yes, he has logged back.
Yes, guests wanting to join. We can.
Yeah.
Hello.
Right.
Sorry, I think I had some issue, or I don't know what happened. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Sorry, I was not there somewhere for last 2-3 minutes or
Yeah,
something.
we waited. We did not have any conversation during that phase.
Okay, because I tried to go through mobile, but yeah, but it asked me to log in and download and everything. So okay,
Yes.
now good. Yeah, fine. So what we have decided? Can somebody take notes, Manoj?
I want to say something.
Please,
Can
we
I?
are not moving up. Yeah, please.
Yes.
At the outset, I want to congratulate Bipinji for his great achievement in his film industry. If you all agree, we must congratulate him for his
Oh
achievement.
yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank
yes.
you. It was not film industry. It was
No,
another
no, I
consultant. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Whatever. But it was a great achievement, I think,
Thank you.
in my mind.
Bipin sir. Bipin sir.
Second
Thank you
thing,
very much.
I
Thank you very
agree.
much.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Party on
हाँ,
me whenever we meet.
Congratulations.
Yes,
Online
yes, sure.
party हो सकती है तो वो भी करेंगे.
नहीं.
Secondly, I agree with Dr. Ashutosh sir that there should be registration form to be filled up so that we'll come to know okay, how many people are really willing to join for this conference.
Is there
Thirdly,
any provision in Zoom for that?
yeah, there is, you can, because this is WhatsApp group, our group is there. So we'll ask them to join those and we'll prepare one questionnaire or something like consent form, registration form. Unless you register.
For form on the website itself, the registration.
Exactly.
No, I will tell you. No, I will tell you. There are many ways in which we are going to invite people. First is our association members.
Yeah.
Like
Absolutely correct.
Our group, our WhatsApp group, then our
Yes.
Facebook page, then our website may be possible if it's Ashutosh is okay.
Yeah.
I don't know how do we do it. Then we are going to forward that link to our groups. Like Leena said, she knows many people who would be interested.
I will be also forwarding to on my other groups because there are many people who the children are lefties and all that.
So how do they register? So we should have something along with that link that will make them click and register. So I don't know how to collect,
I think, sir, a Facebook invite can be created. You create a Facebook invite, and in that you will be able to know who accepts it and who declines it. So the amount of people accepted, and it will also give a reminder. Facebook invites give reminders that this particular day there is an event and you need to join. So that way you'll get a fair count of how many people will be joining, and those reminders will also keep coming.
So you know how to do that, Gracie?
I'll just check. I'll just see. I've never done that, but I've seen a lot of events on.
I have done a couple of times.
Create and put it up. So.
Yes. So whenever there is an idea, at least a technical idea, somebody should say that yes, I know that and we can do that. I cannot say that. I cannot agree to that unless somebody is doing that.
Yep. Okay. I think Hitesh, you can do it.
Yes, sir. We can create an event. No doubt. No issues, sir.
I have also done it quite a lot of times, so that's not an issue. We can do it on the page. And
Bipinji, my daughter can help. She is in Thane, and last 2 years ago we have prepared that Google questionnaire, and we have done that research on that.
Yes.
So in that we can request her to help us, and she will be definitely helping.
Our group should do it. Our group is capable of doing it, so let's do it.
Right.
Okay.
Why bother others?
I request you to go on Zoom because it is good. And Bipinji, I want to ask you, how many participants you require? How many participants? It is less than 100.
I don't want hundreds of people because that becomes chaotic. I want, how much? You tell me now. You tell me. An international personality coming to associations meeting, it should look big.
Right.
I want to at least 50. But you tell me.
50 is a good number.
So it's okay for that. So maximum capacity of Zoom is 100. And the maximum time is, I think, 40 minutes.
Then we have to decide about that also. If we put on other people's pages and groups, and if people keep logging and they cannot log because 100 number is over, then there will be a problem.
Yeah, we need to decide.
Yes.
No, those people who cannot log in on Zoom, they can log in on Facebook Live.
Perfect. Perfect. So we have to
Have
make
the-
provision there also. We have to
So-
show.
So we
yeah.
mentioned
There is-
right at the beginning that only a limited number of people can join the Zoom meeting, but others can view it on Facebook Live on our
Yes.
Facebook page. This
Oh,
is our
via StreamYard.
We have to create that link also.
Via StreamYard or
No, not StreamYard कहीं आया ही नहीं यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट
नहीं,
Zoom
sir.
पे जाएंगे
Zoom
डायरेक्ट
पे
Zoom
जाएंगे
से हम Facebook पे उसको लिंक करने वाले हैं ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है.
Actually, if it is on Zoom, we don't need any streaming software. Zoom itself has a provision to directly go live on a particular specified page.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. That's good. Yes, sir.
wonderful. So now who is handling Zoom? Prashant. He's at least trying to do it. Somebody's mic is open and lot of noise is there. Hello, Prashant. Are you there?
लहान मुलगा कोणाकडे?
Kid. Manoj. Manoj.
External noise.
बोलो सर.
There's- where is the noise coming from?
हा सर क्या माईक म्यूट करा सांगा सगळ्यांना.
Not like whose noise is that? Not mine.
लहान मुलगा कोणाच्या घरात आहे?
Gracie. Gracie.
So Gracie is on mute.
Gracie is on
No, sir.
mute.
Yes, sir.
Somebody is anyway. Let's continue.
Yeah,
Now, Manoj, have you noted down the point?
Yes, sir.
Manoj,
हा बोलू सर.
points
I think
लिहून घेतले का?
हो घेतलेत.
काय? Please repeat. Hello,
हा
बोलो.
काय राहिलेत सर माझे.
First thing is we have decided on Zoom. So it will be a Zoom
yes,
meeting.
sir. Yes.
So Prashant is going to explore the possibility of getting a paid account for Zoom. So we need to have another meeting in between, right? We'll decide that meeting also today. So you tell me, Ashutosh, when is it okay? Next Sunday? Sunday, Saturday, Friday, whatever. I am okay for any day, anything. Hey, whose noise is that here?
डॉक्टर शाह सर म्यूट करो अपना ये.
नाही
हाँ फिर कौन है?
माझ्याकडे नाही आवाज.
नितेश सर
there is lot
आपके
of
पास.
noise. We can't hear anything.
मेरे क्या में
Yeah, I am on my mobile also now.
Lot of noise disturbance.
Yeah, whose noise is that? But
अभी रुकेगा अभी. हाँ ये
बंद
अभी
Able to locate.
Bipin, you have joined from another.
yeah, mobile.
Acha, okay. Okay.
Because I lost you again. So I.
Oh,
Okay. Should we keep it on next Friday, same time, 9?
Tell everybody.
okay.
Hello, Hitesh. अगले फ्राइडे को सब फाइनल करेंगे ना तब तक.
यस
हाँ सर, लेकिन हाँ अभी जो लेसन दिया हुआ है सर वो अगले फ्राइडे को उसका इंस्पेक्शन होगा. ठीक है.
हाँ, होमवर्क सबने करना है.
हाँ सबने करना है सर.
टाइम अभी टाइम तय करते हैं. 13th का मीटिंग का टाइम तो अभी तय कर लेंगे सो दैट मैं उनको बता दूंगा.
7:30 Indian time.
7:30.
7:30.
7:30 you said it is okay. 7:30 is okay. Fine.
बाय 8:30 सब खत्म हो जाएगा. खाना वाना खाने को हम जा सकते हैं.
Correct.
बिल्कुल.
So 7:30. आशुतोष.
Yeah, okay.
लीना.
Fine. And one more point, Bipin, you are supposed to ask her what's her convenient platform also. Like,
No, she told her. I told you now.
Zoom.
She has written back.
yeah.
Zoom.
Okay.
Zoom.
Great.
Zoom.
Yeah.
She said
Yes,
Zoom
yes,
is
yeah. Convenient. Okay. Because some Americans don't like or some foreigners, but yeah, that's okay.
And no, just now I read her mail. I have received a mail from her.
Yeah. Great.
She said,
Great.
yeah, and I prefer Zoom.
Okay.
Pipin, I would suggest that you also tell her that we will be streaming this live on Facebook and
Yes.
just see how she reacts.
She's okay.
Yes.
She, I think, likes it.
Okay.
Yeah,
But I
great.
will tell her.
That's
But
good.
I will tell her. I will definitely tell her. We should not keep anything hiding. I will clarify everything,
Yeah,
disclose everything, what we are going to do, so that
Yeah.
she is not upset about anything.
Yes. Yes.
Right? So 7:30 on 13th August is the time limit. Zoom is finalized. Manoj लिहून घ्या.
Yes, sir.
Now Prashant is exploring about use of a Zoom account of Rotary Club. Then he is also inviting, that's his thing, to invite Rotary members for the meeting.
Right.
And who else? Ashutosh, what is your homework?
Since there's no technicality with me, I have no homework at the moment.
Or yeah, maybe he, as Prashant said, we will have co-hosts. So you will be one of the
Yeah.
co-hosts. You and Hitesh will be co-hosts. So you can
Okay.
control that audience.
Yeah, sure, definitely. But
but
we
that is
also have to decide upon the website also. No, I have already had WordPress in place. So should I make it live?
Okay.
See, I'm really at a loss about giving you any opinion. You and Hitesh tell me, or rather you tell me, because you are handling this website for umpteen years. So your
Yeah.
opinion and your convenience is final.
I
If you
think
say plain HTML karo, .asp karo, .net, I don't know anything.
I think we had a discussion. हितेश आपने हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया तो चलेगा ना, अभी वो लाइव कर देता हूँ, जुमला निकाल देता हूँ.
हाँ सर, सही है सर. वर्डप्रेस और फिर आपने प्लगइन भी डाला हुआ है सर्वे का, आप बता रहे थे,
हाँ.
तो वो भी सही रहेगा.
हाँ, एलिमेंटर
हाँ.
आपने बोला, एलिमेंटर डाला हुआ है, बाकी भी प्लगइन्स
हाँ.
हम लोग ऐड कर सकते हैं, सर्वे भी और
Yes.
फॉर्म सब कुछ आ सकेगा, रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म भी अपने यहाँ आ जाएगा.
सही है सर. वर्डप्रेस बहुत आसान रहेगा और एडिटिंग के लिए एलिमेंटर बहुत सही है.
और वर्डप्रेस में जूम का भी प्लगइन है, सो आई विल सी इफ वी कैन डायरेक्ट डू अ लाइव ऑन आवर वेबसाइट आल्सो.
Good.
Great. Yeah.
ओके. हाँ हाँ.
Great.
फेसबुक एज वेल एज आवर ओन वेबसाइट. लेट्स सी.
पिपीजी, मला एक दुसरा प्रश्न विचारायचा आहे, विचारू का?
बोला ना. हाँ, बोला ना.
नाही, आता मी 13 तारखेला एक लेख लिहिणार आहे पेपरसाठी, सकाळसाठी आणि दुसऱ्या पेपरसाठी. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण ह्या झूम लिंकचा उल्लेख करू शकतो का?
त्यांनी घेतली पाहिजे, आपण करूयात, पण ती कसं तिथे लिंक कशी देणार, तिथे एवढी मोठी लिंक असते.
आपण फक्त त्याला खाली लिहायचं की बा असं आम्ही पुण्यातून अशा अशा पद्धतीने झूम कॉन्फरन्स घेणार आहोत, एवढंच लिहायचं, बाकी काय नाही.
हे लिहा, ज्यांना झूम लिंक हवी आहे त्यांनी आपल्या व्हॉट्सअपला कोणाच्या तरी नंबरला, माझ्याकडे नको, कुणाचा तरी नंबर द्या, त्याच्यावर त्यांनी मागावी. नॉट मी.
काय हरकत नाही ना, कारण लेख मी लिहिणार आहे म्हणजे मी माझाच नंबर देईल ना.
द्या, आणि तुम्ही ती झूम लिंक त्यांना फॉरवर्ड
त्याला
करा.
हरकत नसावी, म्हणजे त्याच्यासाठी विचारलंय की बाबा ते आपण त्याप्रमाणे करू शकतो. सो इट विल बी अनाउन्स्ड ऑल्सो, आणि लोकांनाही समजेल की बाबा या लेफ्ट हँडरच्या काहीतरी ऍक्टिव्हिटी चालू आहेत.
No, again the question is, Zoom has a limitation of 100 members. So if you get 1,000, we have to.
Or I would suggest, Dr. Rajkumar, you can mention about our Facebook page as well.
Right, exactly, sir.
So you can write it there.
100%. Yes, yes.
Facebook page का link दे सकते
Definitely.
हैं, people can go there.
Yes.
So no need for WhatsApp. That's a good idea.
हो हो हो.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
करूया.
Dr. Ji, I would suggest please share your articles before sending to the press.
Definitely.
So that if we can do some value addition, we can.
Sir, we can upload on our website. We have already 6 articles on our website already, sir.
We can. Yes, we can. No, let me officially now thank and congratulate Ashutosh for tenaciously and undeterredly handling our website for so many years, and I did not have any problem. So rather, I could not respond to his enthusiasm much. So let's clap for Ashutosh, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Amazingly, he's spending money from his pocket. I am feeling really bad about it, but I am unable to pay him right now. But one day, yes.
I am just paying it as if I am subscribed, or I am paying the membership fees of a club. So that's it.
It's really nice of you. It's really nice of you. He had even tried to get a room in Mumbai Corporation School for Association's office. Somehow it didn't work out, but he had tried a lot of things for association in Mumbai. So I also tried in Pune, but nobody did anything for me. So
सर लास्ट
yeah,
सर वो हमारी बात हुई थी कि एसोसिएशन एक्ट के तहत हम लोग रजिस्टर्ड हैं ऑलरेडी
yes,
महाराष्ट्र में। तो एक्चुअली मैं उस वेबसाइट पे देख रहा था, लेकिन दर्पण एनजीओ ऐसी कोई वेबसाइट है गवर्नमेंट की, तो वहां पे मुझे एक्चुअली हमारा नाम दिखा नहीं कहीं पे, तो किस तरह से लिखा होगा पता नहीं, लेकिन
एसोसिएशन ऑफ लेफ्ट हैंडर्स ऐसे नाम से मैं सर्टिफिकेट शेयर करता हूँ ग्रुप पे।
हाँ सर, क्योंकि हाँ सर वो अगर हम लोग आगे कुछ काम करते हैं तो एटीसी वाला जो हर्डल है वो शायद निकल जाएगा। और जहाँ तक हाँ एटीसी व्हाटएवर, हाँ सर, और जहाँ तक बात है फंड रेजिंग की कोई प्रोजेक्ट करके, तो उसके लिए यहाँ पे एक बहुत पुरानी मतलब 30 साल पुरानी यहाँ पे एनजीओ है हमारे यहाँ पे कच्छ में, जो कि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए काम करती है। तो उन्होंने ये कहा कि हम लोग जो प्रपोजल भेजते हैं कंपनी वालों को टू गेट फंड फॉर सर्टेन प्रोजेक्ट, तो वो पूरी जो दरखास्त है पूरी प्रपोजल में हम आपको दिखा देंगे, और हाउ टू ड्रॉ फ्रॉम योर एंड वो आप यू कैन गेट आइडिया फ्रॉम दैट। और
मैंने भी थोड़ा बहुत किया है। हाँ बोलिए, आप फिनिश करिए फिर मैं बोलता हूँ।
सर हर एक कंपनी में एक सीएसआर होता है, मतलब जो कि सोशल एक्टिविटी के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल रहता है, हर एक कंपनी प्राइवेट हो या गवर्नमेंट हो व्हाटएवर। तो उसको हम लोग अगर पहुंचाते हैं, हमारी प्रपोजल उस तक पहुंचती है और वो एग्री करते हैं कुछ काम के लिए, तो हमें थोड़ा फंड भी मिल जाएगा, तो थोड़ा काम भी कर लेंगे, और एक तरह से नाम थोड़ा आगे बढ़ेगा, क्योंकि जो 5-7 मेंबर्स जो काम करते हैं उसी के गांव में हमारी एसोसिएशन की पहुंच है, वहां तक ही है।
Yes.
और आगे क्योंकि हम लोग
See, I will give you a brief history. मालूम है अभी सबको देर हो रही है। 1991 में हमने एसोसिएशन एक्चुअली थोड़ी बहुत शुरू की थी, 92 में हमने रजिस्टर की। So 92 से लेके अराउंड 2000 में भी और 1999 तक उसका ऑडिट करना, अकाउंट्स रखना, उसका सब इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न वो भरना, ये सब मैंने बहुत किया। और मैं अकेले करता था, सब लोग आते थे हेलो करके निकल जाते थे। हमने एक दो मेंबर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट थे, उन्होंने किया, फिर कोई दुबई गया, कोई कहीं गया, फिर मैंने वो सब छोड़ दिया। What you need for applying for CSR is very good track record of your accounts, last 3 years income tax returns, और उसमें कुछ पैसा वैसा पहले वाला दिखना चाहिए। आपका नील रिटर्न जा रहा है, कुछ आया ही नहीं पैसा, तो कोई खड़ा नहीं करता आपको। ये भिखारी लोग हैं, इनको मत खड़ा करो बोलते हैं। Unless you know the people inside, कोई पहचान है और वो बोले कि आप लाओ मैं करता हूँ, तो ही होता है। मैंने बहुत जगह पे मगजमारी की है। I give you all the documents, ये शुरू करना पड़ेगा। 3 साल का अपने पास ऑडिट रिटर्न या कुछ नहीं है। वो उनके लेटर्स भी आके गए कि योर ऑडिट इज नॉट डन, योर दिस इज नॉट डन। मैं कुछ कर नहीं सका, तो क्या करेंगे बोलो। रीस्टार्ट करना है, आई एम रेडी, क्योंकि बहुत काम रहता है, वहां जाओ भरो ये करो, और सब मुझे मैं बोर हो गया था honestly.
Can I add something? For
Please.
CSR and ATG, charity commissioner's permission is required, so it is not very easy. It is completely audited and to be maintained very properly. And once you start, you have to wait for 3 years to get CSR fund in your account and give ATG certification.
Perfect.
So and one more thing, Left Hander Association is not charity organization, so वो CSR में उनको certification नहीं होगा. That also we have to get verified by charity commissioner. So it is better not to market that the ATG is possibility. If anybody is giving out of CSR and not including CSR, that is okay. Let us not go into
out of CSR नहीं हो सकता है, for ATG नहीं हो सकता है अभी, तो 3 साल उसका रिकॉर्ड लगता है।
Correct. So just for a donation somebody is giving without asking any record and audit, we can go ahead. Otherwise, it is the hell of a lot of activities.
बहुत खिटपिट है उसमें, और पता नहीं, अगर करना है तो इस साल से शुरू करो, 3 साल बाद हम कुछ
नहीं उसमें वो ट्रस्टी लगते हैं विपिन, and the trustee has to give their PAN and Aadhaar card, and they have to be auditable by charity commissioner. So let us not go into that, because you need a proper organization.
93 या 94 में हमने ATG किया था। ATG का मेरे पास लेटर भी है, लेकिन किसी ने डोनेशन दिया ही नहीं, हम किसी के पीछे ज्यादा गए नहीं, तो वो कैंसिल हो गया। तो उसका रिकॉर्ड लेके आप नया मांग सकते हो उनसे, या पता नहीं क्या करते हैं, किसी को पूछना पड़ेगा। सेकेंडली, वी आर रजिस्टर्ड अंडर सोसाइटी एक्ट, वी आर रजिस्टर्ड अंडर ट्रस्ट एक्ट, सो रजिस्ट्रेशन है अपना। फाइनेंस की जो बातें है ना, वो कुछ अपडेटेड नहीं।
डेडिकेटेड काम चाहिए उसके लिए, सो
बहुत लगता है काम,
नॉट पॉसिबल.
और पैसा भी नहीं, तो किसी को पैसा दे के करेंगे तो कैसा करेंगे, होता ही नहीं है. इनिशियल कुछ पैसा डालना है तो हम डाल सकते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत पैसा अकाउंट में मैंने रखा है सेफ, कभी लगेगा तो कुछ करना है तो मैं बेच सकता हूँ, दे सकता हूँ, लेकिन बाग आगे चलाना है. इफ यू आर टेकिंग ऑन, क्योंकि मुझे किसी को तो सौंपना है, हितेश यू कैन टेक इट. अभी ऑनेस्टली आपके सामने मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
सर वो 2003 में जब आए थे आप यहाँ पे भुज में, हमने लेफ्टिनेंट्स के लिए टीटी टूर्नामेंट रखा था, तो मुझे ठीक से याद है कि उनका चेक जो मैंने आपको भेजा था, फिर आपने कैश करके मुझे वापस किया था, तो वो जद्दोजहद रहती है, वो दिक्कत रहती है, सही है. लेकिन सर जैसा आपने कहा कि आज से शुरू करेंगे तो 3 साल, मतलब वो पीरियड छोटा हो जाएगा, मतलब कल से शुरू करेंगे तो एक दिन और बढ़ जाएगा 3 साल में. कुछ करना पड़ेगा सर, ये लिमिटेड रहना हो सर, क्योंकि हमारा जो एम और ऑब्जेक्टिव है वो इंडिया में किसी के पास नहीं है सर.
बिल्कुल नहीं है, लेकिन हमने जब शुरू की थी तो हमने ख्वाब इतने बड़े बड़े थे, हमको लगा कि लेफ्ट हैंडर्स में भी बहुत इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट होंगे, एक्टर्स होंगे, और ये आइडिया सुन के वो हमारे पीछे दौड़ेंगे. कोई पीछे नहीं दौड़ा, तो इसलिए हमको लगा कि पैसा आएगा, ये आएगा, वो आएगा, ये यूनिक आइडिया है. ऐसा नहीं हुआ. बहुत लोगों को मिला, क्रिकेटर्स को मिला, एक्टर्स को मिला, अमिताभ बच्चन को मिला.
सही बात है, लेकिन सर विदाउट वॉलेट हम लोग इतने साल के बाद भी सामने हैं.
मैं करो, आज से शुरू करो. यू टेल मी व्हाट यू वांट, आई विल गिव इट टू यू.
सर एक वो स्टेशनरी वाले जो है, मतलब वो कुछ बनाते हैं बच्चों के लिए, लेफ्ट हैंडेड, हमारे इंडिया में ही है ना वो लेफ्ट हैंडेड shop.in समथिंग. हाँ. तो अगर हो सकता है उसका भी कुछ फायदा हो, हमारा भी कुछ फायदा हो, तो कुछ मिलजुल के हो सकता है.
इफ यू वांट टू टेक लीड, हम तीनों मिलके बात करेंगे.
सर उससे पहले आपने कहा था कि श्रीलंका में एक एसोसिएशन था जिसके चलाने में आपका भी हाथ था उसमें, तो उन्होंने भी कुछ लेफ्ट हैंडेड स्टेशनरीज दी थी बच्चों को वहां पे श्रीलंका में.
वो सिर्फ स्केल बनाया था, स्केल.
हाँ स्केल बनाया था उन्होंने, तो जो मतलब काफी जरूरी है. तो ऐसे कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें कहीं से डोनेशन ले सकते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत 40-50%, थोड़ा बहुत वो स्पॉन्सर कर दें जो मैन्युफैक्चरर है वो, तो कुछ देंगे बच्चों को या कुछ लोगों को, तो फिर हम लोग आगे वो ख्वाब देख सकते हैं कि कुछ कोई हमें भी देगा.
बिल्कुल.
लेकिन आज से शुरू करना पड़ेगा, ये बात सही है.
बिल्कुल, आई एम रेडी, लेकिन लीड मैं नहीं लूंगा, मैं असिस्टेंट रहूंगा. ऑनेस्टली लेट मी टेल यू, मेरे पीछे नहीं चाहिए कोई, मुझे आगे चाहिए लोग. इस मीटिंग में भी मैंने ये किया, बाकी लोग आप कर रहे हैं तो मैं आगे जा रहा हूँ, सब कुछ मैं करूंगा. अभी हम फिजिकल मीटिंग जब करते थे यहाँ पे लोगों को बुला के, तो मैं सारे घर से वो सब रस्सी का कैंची सारा लेके मैं और मनोज जाते थे वहां पे, सब लगाएंगे, पोस्टर लगाएंगे. आपने भी वही किया है हितेश. और फिर वहाँ लोग 9 की मीटिंग, समझो 7 की मीटिंग है, 7:30 आएगा, हेलो करेगा, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करेगा, कुछ होगा तो उधर अटेंड करेगा और मेरे को शेक हैंड करके निकल जाएगा, कुछ पूछेगा नहीं, कुछ करना है, मदद है. ऐसा नहीं चाहिए, मेरी गलती है, आई एम नॉट अ गुड लीडर. लेकिन लीडरशिप आप ले गए तो मैं हूँ, आपके साथ हूँ. चलो छोड़ो, पीछे नहीं, आपके साथ हूँ.
सर एक छोटी सी बात, हमने यहाँ पे कंपटीशन किया था, मतलब हर साल कुछ ना कुछ हम लोग करते रहते हैं यहाँ पे. ये पैंडेमिक की वजह से नहीं कर पाए, लेकिन बच्चों को लेकर एक ड्राइंग कंपटीशन, उसी के स्कूल में जाके कोई एक पीरियड उनका, वो हम लोग कह देते हैं प्रिंसिपल कि एक पीरियड के लिए बच्चों को छोड़ दो, तो 1 घंटे के लिए वो लेफ्ट हैंडेड बच्चे ड्राइंग करते हैं. फिर राइट हैंडर्स जो होते हैं, उनके टीचर्स होते हैं या पेरेंट्स, उनको बोलते हैं कि आप लेफ्ट हैंड से ऐसे पिक्चर बना के दिखाओ, तो वो नहीं बना पाते क्योंकि हैंडेडनेस चेंज हो जाती है. तो उसी एग्जाम्पल को बड़ा करके हम लोग बताते हैं कि देखिए आपके बच्चे जो है, आप उसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो जितनी तकलीफ आपको हो रही है उतनी तकलीफ पूरी जिंदगी इनको सहन करना पड़ेगा. तो मतलब छोटी छोटी बातों को लेकर स्कूल में जाते हैं, तो ये सोचना पड़ेगा, कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा, चाहे वो मार्केट की उसकी वैल्यू ना हो, मार्केट में डजंट मैटर, लेकिन शुरू करना पड़ेगा सर.
बिपिन जी, आपण हे सगळं त्या आपल्या ग्रुपवरती डिस्कस करू शकतो. त्यांचं विनाकारण मीटर वाढत चाललेलं आहे. मला वाटतं तुम्ही वाइंड अप करावं, थँक्स वगैरे काय असेल ते. हे सगळं आपण
फुकट आहे, फक्त कुणाला दुसरे कामं असतील तर
डिस्कस करू शकतो.
No, I mean he wants everybody's opinion also about his points.
Actually,
so maybe
Hitesh, the idea is actually good, But one more thought which came to my mind is that once you restart the trust, we also need to consider कि अब तक जो default है उसका कोई पीछे नहीं पड़े अपने.
नहीं, वो मैनेज हो जाता है, मैंने पूछा
जाता
है,
है?
हो जाता है मैनेज, और उनको यही लगता है कि इसमें कोई गड़बड़ी नहीं हो रही है, पैसे का घपला नहीं हो रहा है, बस वो थोड़ा बहुत उधर पैसा देके पैसा देना पड़ता है. मतलब
If you have account more than 5 lakhs rupees, then it is big. Otherwise, then nobody bothers.
नोबडी, अपने अकाउंट में
Nobody
10-20 हजार रुपया भी नहीं है.
5 लाख के नीचे है तो कुछ नहीं प्रॉब्लम आता है. Any time you can start and stop. But frequent start and stop is a problem.
Yeah. और ऐसा भी देखते हैं कि आपके अकाउंट में 10-20 लाख आया और एकदम से उसमें से 7-8 लाख किसी एक को दिया, फिर 2 लाख किसी और को दिया, तो दैट इज अप्लीकेबल.
करेक्ट. So maybe project specific, हितेश जी जैसा आप बोल रहे हैं, project specific कोई डोनेशन मिलता है तो लेके उसी प्रोजेक्ट में खत्म कर देना चाहिए, instead of creating CSR and ATG. I think that can continue without any problem.
करेक्ट, आई थिंक. बट लेट हितेश आल्सो थिंक एंड डिस्कस. आपके पास कोई CA होगा तो डिस्कस करिए. हितेश.
हाँ सर, सीए तो हो जाएगा सर. वो तो दोस्त है एक दो, मतलब वो कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. लेकिन एक प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट और उसके लिए एक टीम चाहिए काम करने के लिए, और वो सब जो कंपनी या जो भी कोई दे रहा है हमें, तो वो लोग उसका ऑडिट करते हैं, मतलब फिजिकली जाके कि आपने यहाँ पे जाके ये काम करा है तो उसका आउटपुट क्या हुआ है, मतलब आउटपुट क्या निकला है. और ऊपर से कंपनी ये भी जाएगी कि फिर उसका थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ पे फायदा है कि नहीं है. तो सबको साथ में लेके चलना पड़ता है, काम करना पड़ता है रियली.
यस, सही है, आई एम विथ यू.
तो जब तक ये नहीं हो पा रहा है, मतलब बड़े पैमाने पे, तो छोटी छोटी बातों को लेके सर शुरू करते हैं. और हमारे ग्रुप में कोई भी मतलब छोटा काम भी अगर कोई बताता है कि यार बच्चों को इकट्ठा करने के लिए करना चाहिए, पेरेंट्स को समझाने के लिए ये कहना चाहिए, तो मतलब जो भी जहन में कुछ आता है तो वो अगले एक हफ्ते के अंदर हम लोग कलेक्ट कर ले पूरा.
ठीक है.
सर नमस्ते. एक मिनिट सर. प्रधान सर, तुम्हाला सांगायचं होतं की आपण आता बघ माझ्या मागे स्क्रीन आहे बघा, तसं आपल्या 13th ला आपला लेफ्ट हँड असोसिएशनचा स्क्रीन ठेवता येईल, जेणेकरून असोसिएशनचा प्रोग्राम कळेल.
मनोज
म्हणजे आपल्या मागे किंवा जे स्पीकर बोलणार आहे त्याच्या मागे.
नहीं मनोज,
कैन वी पुट अ स्क्रीन बिहाइंड द स्पीकर? एक के आदमी के ठीक है, तो सबके स्क्रीन एक सर दिखना अभी अच्छी नहीं.
एक ही आदमी के इसका भी प्लान कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, तो मैं अगर उनका इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे पीछे चलेगा, देखो अच्छा लगता है तो करेंगे. यहाँ पॉसिबिलिटी है, ये किधर डालते हैं स्क्रीन?
It's in your settings.
या
Here 3 dots on the top.
ये 3 dots है ना सर?
And then go to apply background effects.
No, I
you
don't see
can have any background. Anybody can have any background.
तीन जे डॉट आहेत ना त्याला क्लिक करा सर.
हो केलं. त्याच्यामध्ये शो डिवाइस सेटिंग्स
खाली येत आहे बघा, अप्लाय बॅकग्राउंड इफेक्ट्स.
नो, माय लैपटॉप पे नहीं आया है वो. नहीं, एंटर्स फुल स्क्रीन, शो कॉल डिटेल्स, गैलरी, लार्ज गैलरी, टुगेदर मोड, कीपैड, टर्न ऑफ इनकमिंग वीडियो. दैट्स ऑल.
Below that
nothing is there.
Okay.
It's not moving over.
Update.
We'll see that. We'll try that later maybe. But Zoom में हो सकता है. Zoom में करेंगे. So now we are not using Microsoft. Zoom में आएंगे.
Maybe we are surfing for. We have joined from the browser, not itself from the Teams.
Yeah. I've joined from the browser.
Yes.
Maybe that's.
I also joined from browser. Yes.
Right. So we are meeting. Did we decide that we are meeting on 23rd?
Right.
Yes sir, correct. 23rd.
Everybody agree? Did we meet again on
yes.
23rd? Okay, Gracie agree.
Yes.
I agree. Manoj, Prashant,
Yes,
Dr.
yes.
Yeah.
Dr. Sahab, I think.
मैंने बैकग्राउंड ऐड किया है, देखो विपिन.
हाँ.
I have
वो कभी-कभी ठीक नहीं होता है. If your lighting is not proper or your background is not proper, ना वो सब ऐसा उल्टा-पुल्टा होता है कुछ.
नहीं, बैकग्राउंड में एक फायदा ये है कि whatever there is
23rd is okay for me.
Okay, good. So we'll try background. Or each one of you decide on a different background.
Right. ठीक है.
Okay. ऐसा background अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
That's a good suggestion, Manoj.
Yes.
Yeah, good suggestion. So Manoj, you prepare a background for me.
Yes, yes. Okay.
He will prepare background for all.
No,
That
then
doesn't
we'll
mean
have
you post
different
on our
background.
group. Ah.
No,
Yeah, we
I
can
said
post.
everybody using the same background will not look good.
We can have one poster showing Left-Hander Association Pune or India, and we can
Yeah.
use the same background. Everybody can use the same background. That is also possible.
Yeah. Oh, you can download from our Facebook page.
That's fine. That's fine.
I
Okay,
think we
fine.
had one. We had put it in Modern College. I think we were having an event in Modern College, and there are all these famous left-handers on that poster.
Yeah.
World
But it
famous.
will not look good on behind. We
No,
need
no,
a proper
not that. Not that.
title.
It should be
Yeah,
plain
yeah.
Title should
screen.
be here. Something should be here, and it should not go behind your back.
It should be plain
Yeah.
and only showing Association of Left-Hander. That's all.
Yeah.
Then it will look
And
nice.
13th of August,
I think
Yeah. Something like that.
2021. Welcome to this thing on one side and one side association. So Manoj can prepare something like that.
Yeah, and
yeah,
one-
Manoj has already made one, I think, last year or a couple of years ago we used that.
Yeah, so we'll try that in next meeting.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And next meeting again, Teams or Zoom. So
No,
next
it
meeting
is-
Zoom.
Zoom is final, sir.
We can
No,
have
no,
Zoom
we-
because we are going to have for 40 minutes, so we can
Yes.
have on
So,
Zoom.
so 23rd meeting also on Zoom. So I will create a link and share on the group.
Okay.
Manoj Liklo.
Ah.
Manoj Liklo. Responsibility of creating a, or Hitesh, can you do Zoom link?
सर मेरे पास तो कोई लाइसेंस वैसा कुछ है नहीं जूम का
नहीं,
आसपास में भी
free।
कोई
23 वाली मीटिंग 23rd।
हाँ 23 के लिए जूम की लिंक ना सर
हाँ वो तो फ्री हो जाता है।
हाँ डन सर डन
13th की मीटिंग प्रशांत is going to try with Rotary account, so he will tell us
Yes.
on 23rd whether it is
Yes.
possible or not,
Correct.
Okay.
right?
Done.
So any other last minute questions or discussions?
No, I
So
think we are
just-
good.
sir you just please put homework to our core group with the name so and so thing assigned to so and so.
Manoj is
Okay.
doing that. Manoj
Okay.
is doing.
Okay
Manoj
sir.
is doing. In case he misses out something, we will change it and we'll put it on the group.
Okay
Okay.
sir.
Huh?
Okay.
So thank you very much, everybody. It was-
Maybe we can make one flyer also regarding the 13th August.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
good.
Yes.
Good.
We need a lot of things. So we'll design that. Manoj is also there. Hitesh can do. Achutosh himself is a very good designer.
Yeah.
So he is a multifaceted person handling website. Doctor, I think Dr. K is doing as a hobby and all these things is doing.
Actually, there is one person who, from my family, he asked
Uh-huh.
me every time when we meet, he asked me, "अरे तुझा side business कसा चाललाय?" That side
Sometimes that is-
business, all the rest of things.
No, it's really good to have you, and left-handers can do all these things, multitasking. So good. So, and also prepare. What about your questions? What are we doing about the questions?
We'll put it up on the WhatsApp group.
Yes.
And I'll share this link of this particular recording, today's meeting's recording.
Yeah.
I don't know whether I can directly share a Microsoft Teams link or otherwise I'll have to upload it somewhere and then give a right to view.
Yeah, then you can upload it on our YouTube channel. I can give you the access, or you
But
send me the video if possible, and I will upload it. Whatever is
Okay.
convenient to you. I can
Okay.
give you access to the Google account.
Okay, and yeah, I'll share the video to you, and then possibly you can upload.
You put it on some FTP or some upload, or you can send it by WeTransfer. I will download and upload.
Okay.
Whatever you like.
I think you have added me as a manager to our YouTube account, so I can also do it from my end.
Yes, best.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
And I'll keep that video private. This video I'll keep it private and accessible only via link.
Yes,
Right, sir.
Okay.
good. Right. So
Yeah.
shall we
Okay.
conclude the meeting?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
And,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
strength and kudos
sir.
to left-handers, and
Yeah,
we'll
thank you,
do
sir.
better. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank
Yes.
you.
Bye.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Good night.
Good
Good
night.
Bye bye. Good night.
Good day.
Bye bye. Good night, everyone.
Good night. Good night. Bye.